As projects are completed, it can be time-consuming to scroll through and find what still needs to be done. By archiving finished projects, it is easier to organize what is left. When a project has been marked as finished, on the right side of the project list, click the 3 dots and in the drop-down menu, click the Archive button. A confirmation pop-up will appear to confirm that you wish to archive the project. And you will have the option to archive all of the project's tasks as well. Simply click Yes, Archive, and you're done.